Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the sound if it is not working in Madden NFL 27 on your PC. If the game has no audio, the sound is too low, or your speakers or headphones are not being detected correctly, follow each solution until the problem is resolved. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click Hardware and Sound. Then open Sound. Under the Playback tab, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default audio device. If they are not, select your audio device and click Set Default. Then click Apply and OK. Now launch Madden NFL 27 and check if the sound is working. Solution 2. Check the volume level. If the problem continues, return to the sound window. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure the volume is not set to the lowest level and that your device is not muted. Increase the volume if necessary. Then click Apply and OK. Launch Madden NFL 27 again and test the audio. Solution 3. Open the Properties window for your audio device again. Go to the Advanced tab. Under Default Format, select an option that uses either 48,000 Hz or 44,100 Hz. You can also uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Then click Apply and OK. Now launch the game again and check if the sound is working correctly. Solution 4. Open your audio device properties again. Go to the Spatial Sound tab. Set Spatial Sound to Off. Click Apply, then click OK. Launch Madden NFL 27 again and test the audio. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to search for and install the latest available audio driver. Once the process is complete, launch the game again and check if the problem has been fixed. Solution 6. If updating the audio driver did not solve the problem, return to the Driver Update window. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose the appropriate audio driver from the list. Click Next and wait for Windows to install it. Once the installation is complete, restart your PC to apply the changes. After the restart, launch Madden NFL 27 and check the sound again. Solution 7. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to search for and install the latest graphics driver available. Once the process is complete, restart your computer. Then launch Madden NFL 27 again and test the audio. Solution 8. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the application. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. Once the installation is complete, restart your PC. Then launch Madden NFL 27 and check if the sound is now working correctly. And that's all there is to it. One of these solutions should help fix the sound if it is not working in Madden NFL 27 on your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Madden NFL 27 tutorials, PC gaming guides, and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.